When it comes to improving the energy efficiency of your Dallas home, window replacement is one of the most effective and cost-efficient upgrades you can make. Windows play a critical role in regulating the indoor temperature of your home, and outdated or inefficient windows can result in significant energy loss. As energy costs continue to rise, homeowners are increasingly looking for ways to reduce their utility bills, and replacing old windows is an excellent way to achieve that goal. Why window replacement matters for energy efficiency. Older windows, particularly those that are single pane or improperly sealed, can lead to a considerable amount of heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter. This means that your HVAC system has to work overtime to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, leading to higher energy bills and more wear and tear on your heating and cooling systems. In Dallas, where summers can be extremely hot, and winters can still experience chilly temperatures, these inefficiencies are even more pronounced. Newer windows, particularly double pane or even triple pane models, feature insulation layers between the glass panes, which serve as a barrier to the outdoor climate. These windows can significantly reduce the amount of heat entering or escaping your home, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature year-round. By reducing the amount of energy required to heat or cool your home, window replacement can result in lower utility bills and a more comfortable living environment. How new windows improve insulation. One of the most significant factors that contribute to the energy efficiency of new windows is their improved insulation properties. Modern windows are designed with materials and technologies that minimize heat transfer. Double-pane windows, for example, have two layers of glass with an insulating gas, such as argon, sealed between them. This gas helps to reduce heat transfer by acting as an additional buffer against the outdoor temperature. Some windows also feature low emissivity, low-E, coatings, which reflect heat back into the home during the winter and deflect heat from the sun during the summer. This advanced technology helps to keep your home more comfortable, no matter the season, while also reducing the load on your HVAC system. The role of Energy Star rating. If you're considering window replacement, look for windows that have earned the Energy Star certification. Energy Star rated windows meet specific standards for energy efficiency set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. These windows are designed to offer superior insulation, better control of solar heat gain, and improved durability. In Dallas, windows with Energy Star ratings can make a significant difference. Due to the intense heat during the summer months, windows with high solar heat gain coefficients, SHGC, are particularly beneficial. These windows are designed to block out the sun's heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home, ensuring that your air conditioning system doesn't have to work harder than necessary. Additional benefits of window replacement. Aside from energy efficiency, replacing your windows can enhance your home's curb appeal. New windows come in a variety of styles and materials, such as vinyl, wood, or fiberglass, which can complement the overall aesthetic of your home. Whether you're looking to update the appearance of your property or increase its value for resale, new windows can make a substantial difference. Another important benefit is noise reduction. New windows often have better seals and multiple panes of glass, which help reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home. If you live in a busy area of Dallas, this can make your home feel more peaceful and quiet. Return on investment. While the upfront cost of window replacement can be significant, the long-term savings on energy bills can make it a worthwhile investment. Many homeowners in Dallas report a return on investment, ROI, of up to 70% or more when they replace their old windows with energy-efficient models. Over time, the reduction in energy costs can more than offset the initial expense, making window replacement one of the most financially sensible home improvements you can make. Conclusion. Replacing the windows in your Dallas home can have a profound impact on its energy efficiency. With improved insulation, better temperature regulation, and advanced technologies like low-E coatings, new windows can significantly reduce your heating and cooling costs, all while improving your home's comfort, aesthetic appeal, and value. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you're not only making your home more comfortable today, but you're also setting the stage for long-term savings and a reduced environmental footprint in the future. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to lower your energy bills and enhance your Dallas home, window replacement is a smart choice that delivers lasting results.